What a relaxing, lazy Sunday. But I'm starting to get a little hungry. Hey boys, y'all want to go to Panera for lunch?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
All right guys, so we're going to Panera. Did you guys know that me and Daddy Veggie Fit Kids used to study at Panera all the time when we were in medical school? Did you guys know that?
I think
did I tell you that?
I think you told me that.
Okay, so we loved going to Panera. There was a Panera really close to where we lived when we were in medical school. And we would go from the time they opened in the morning, we would eat breakfast, we would have a snack, eat lunch, have a snack, and then sometimes we would even have dinner there, okay? So we would be at Panera all day long, and we would study, we'd have all our books, and it was fantastic. So I have a really warm, soft place in my heart for Panera. I love Panera. But there's other reasons I love Panera too. One of the things I've always admired about Panera is that they are a very efficient business. It's very well run, and you get really fresh food. So it's this fast casual sort of category where you order your food, they make it fresh, and then you go pick it up. But it's really high quality. And the other thing I love about Panera is that they are a sustainably run business, and they consistently are trying to improve the quality of the food, and they're at the point now where they have no artificial preservatives, flavors, or colors in their food, which is really great. And if you go to the Panera.com website, you can actually search for the different meals and the different menu items that are vegan or gluten-free. So I think that they do a really good job of making sure that anybody can eat there regardless of your diet. Now, if you have celiac disease, I probably would recommend that you stay away from Panera because there's definitely going to be cross-contamination there. But other than that, this is going to be a really vegan-friendly place to eat, and it's a really fun place. It's very relaxing. Like I said, we used to study there, and I probably would still study there if I had to do a lot of studying, but most of the time I just do it at home. So, what do you guys like to get at Panera? What do you like to get, Kian?
I love getting that sourdough bread bowl, and I really like the black bean soup.
The black bean soup. And then, Desta, what do you like to get?
PB&J.
The peanut butter and jelly. So we'll talk about the kids' menu options as well. But there is plenty to have at Panera. There's just a little bit of bad news that I'll tell you about later. But I'm super excited to go have a meal at Panera. You guys excited?
I definitely am.
All right, well, we'll record more later when we get to Panera. All right, you guys ready for some Panera?
I am.
All right. Bread bowl with the black bean soup. What do you want for your side, baby? Do you want?
I would say an apple, please.
An apple for the side for the bread bowl, please. And then I'll have one kid's PB&J with, you want chips on the side? With the kettle chips on the side. And then I want to do a U-Pick 2 with the Mediterranean sandwich with ciabatta bread instead of the tomato thing. And then no cheese.
One more time.
And can I add avocado? And then I'll do the Fuji apple chicken salad with no chicken. and no cheese. You have to have a cheese or not. No chicken and no cheese. And then can I add avocado to that too? And then I'll do the baguette for my side. No, but actually I wanted to get a whole Mediterranean sandwich the way I ordered it to go as well. No cheese and add avocado on chicken. A baguette. That one's to go. No, I don't. It's for here. Yami, Y-A-M-I. And can I ask you a few questions too? For your coffees, what milks do you guys have available?
We have and
Almonds, okay. And then for the smoothies, I know that the one smoothie, the peach and blueberry is already vegan, but for the other ones and the green passion too. But is it possible to make the other smoothies non-dairy too by doing almond milk instead of the Greek yogurt?
they will be like do a salad about.
But that's okay, but you can do it, right? So if you wanted to get like a strawberry banana, you could just do almond milk instead of the yogurt if you wanted to. Really water. Okay, cool. Well, I was just curious if that's possible. All right.
The rest is for here.
Yeah.
31.81. Okay.
While we wait for our order, which is being prepared right now, I wanted to go over the options that know for sure can be veganized or are vegan. So I got what my favorite meal was from, I realized it's been 18 years that they've had the same thing on the menu that I love, the Mediterranean veggie sandwich. It comes with cheese, so you can ask without the cheese. You can also add avocado if you'd like, which I did. And the bread that it comes with has honey in it. So if you choose not to consume honey, just change it to another one of the breads. So let me talk to you about the breads that are vegan at Panera. For the bagels, it's the plain, everything, cranberry walnut, and sesame. For the breads, it's the French baguette, ciabatta, sourdough, including the sourdough bread bowl, which is yummy, the sea salt focaccia, the country wheat, rye, and the hoagie roll. My favorite bagel of all time is the cinnamon crunch bagel. It's definitely not vegan. It's got lots of dairy in it, but before I was vegan, I loved that thing. So Panera, can you make that one vegan, please? I would greatly appreciate it. For breakfast items at Panera, the vegan options are steel-cut oats with strawberries, pecans, and cinnamon crunch topping, the summer fruit cup, the peach and blueberry smoothie with almond milk, the green passion smoothie, which has peach, mango, and spinach in it. And you can also make the other smoothies, but you just have to have them swap out the yogurt for almond milk. So I asked them if that's possible. She said it'd be kind of watery, but you can also probably ask them to add the banana. It's gonna make it a little bit thicker. The other thing that you can do is you can get the avocado, egg white, and spinach sandwich. No eggs, no cheese. And then that would be vegan, except for the bread that they use for that sandwich does have honey. So you could ask them to swap out another bread, but then you would get avocado, tomato, spinach. That's pretty yummy. For coffees, they do have almond milk that you can use instead of cow's milk. The salads, the seasonal green salad, you can have them add avocado and quinoa to make it heartier. The Fuji apple chicken salad, which is the one I got today, no chicken, no cheese. You can also have them add avocado. It's my favorite salad. The Greek and also the modern Greek salad, just tell them no feta and it's vegan. And then you can get the Asian sesame salad with no chicken and no wontons. Now I looked at the ingredients list. The wontons, it says may contain eggs. It doesn't list eggs, so I'm wondering if it's more of a cross-contaminant. But they do say on the website just to order it with no chicken and no wonton strips. Same thing with the spicy Thai salad. You want to order that with no chicken and no wontons. And also the strawberry poppy seed salad no chicken, and I would add avocado. As far as the soups, the only vegan soup they have is the low-fat vegetarian black bean, which we'll show you in a little bit. They also have 2 broth bowls, the vegan lentil quinoa bowl and the soba noodle broth bowl with edamame blend. I've had the soba noodle one, it's really good. And then for the sandwiches, I'm going to show you the Mediterranean veggie sandwich, which I love. Just like I said, no feta, and then have them swap out the bread. And then the roasted turkey and avocado BLT, just order that without turkey, bacon, or mayo, and then you have a yummy sandwich as well. Side items that are available that are vegan are apple, banana, kettle chips, pickle spear, or French baguette. And for the kids menu, you can also get the black bean soup, the seasonal green salad, the Greek salad with no cheese, and the PB&J, which my son loves, but there is honey in the bread. Oh, looks like our order is ready. Just time to go grab it. Let's go get it. Desta.
Thank you.
All right. Yum. You excited?
I'm excited.
And I want to get a good view of your bread bowl. This is really big and really filling. And then here's my Fuji apple salad, and then the Mediterranean sandwich, which has cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, onions. It also has this jalapeno cilantro hummus in it and sweet peppers, and I had them add avocado. And then my baguette, which we brought our own vegan butter from home because I love having bread and butter. So this is our delicious meal. We're gonna eat it and enjoy it, and I will tell you about some other things in a little bit.
This is the only part left on the apple.
Okay, here's the bad news. I told you I would break to you by the end of this video, is that none of the pastries and sweet treats, like the cookies or the muffins or any of that, are vegan. They all have dairy and usually egg in them. So Panera, please make a vegan cookie because we'll definitely eat it. But the good news of that is, if you're trying to decrease your calorie intake, decrease your calorie density, then hey, none of the pastries are vegan. But otherwise, there's lots of amazing choices here at Panera. I think that you'll really like it. You can try different things every time. You know that it's fresh, it'll be delicious, and in general, very health promoting. So I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a like. Please comment below, what is your favorite thing to eat at Panera? And please share with your friends and family if you think that they would benefit from this video. Veggie Fit families, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you have a plantastic day.